Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation, with an unboxing from the United States Mint. It is the silver proof sets with the reverse proof Jefferson nickel. Let's explore. Yes, this comes to us from Memphis, Tennessee. You've already seen Silver Wolverine has posted an unboxing video of this, and so has John Hartley. And if any of you others, I may have missed it, but this is some sets that we'd ordered, and we're going to take a look at the contents therein. All right, very good. Get rid of the, here is the two nickels, and here are the two sets. All right, very good. Nice, and very beautiful. They've increased their prices this year on these, which is unfortunate, but I know they had to make some adjustments for packaging, but I think it was a little bit too big of a price increase for products this year. But let's take a look at these and see what the quality is like on them. 2020 is a year to remember for sure, for all that is going on in the world. Here's the certificate of authenticity, and you can see here that all the silver coins are 3/9 fine silver. The change, they started in 2019 and are continuing along here with the same tradition here this year. And let's take a look here. Here are the coins themselves. Very nice and beautifully done, I think. The United States Mint, all the different coins. Here we have the National Park for the American Samoa, which is quite apropos because it was the first one to be issued, and was issued right around the time when the coronavirus was being discovered in the United States of America, and it does trace back to, they think, bats. So this is the coronavirus quarter, I call it, and we are living in an upside-down world, and so are these bats. Upside down indeed. Very, very good. Okay. So there they are, the quarters, and then we have the rest of the coins. 2020 for the dime, the half dollar, the dollar, the cent, and the nickel. San Francisco Mint, which has closed down and will reopen on the May the 4th. More on that coming. The Silver Wolverine also covered that. Let's take a look at the reverse of these. There we see them all here together. And, the Native American dollar, I think this one here is going to be in circulation in Alaska only. Of course, an uncirculated version. So this will be a circulating coin in one state. Kind of a first for the United States Mint. But also, I've not been really pleased with the design of some of these Native American coins in recent years. I think the last really good design they came out with was in 2015. I thought that was a nice design. After that, they kind of had, kind of been lacking. And this one as well, not very good. The Jim Thorpe one was a disappointment. But nonetheless, there they are. But here they are, the 2020 proof sets. Nice job by the United States Mint. So we'll just, in the interest of time, and we're just going to stick with one here. One set. And let's take a look at the West Point nickel here, the nickel. I wish they would not have put these in these plastic bags because that rubs against them, but here it is. The reverse proof nickel, which is the gem of the set, for sure. Very nicely done. The United States Mint. And these things, I think, are selling for pretty good money on eBay right now. So maybe I should try to flip this. I'll do it right now. There, I just flipped it. What do you think about that? See, I am a good flipper when it comes to doing this with coins. Let's flip it again. We've just flipped it again. There it is. So there it is. All right, we have the United States Mint silver proof set for a memorable year indeed, 2020. And yes, indeed. Let's do this with the nickel, side by side with the nickel, and see how that looks. Very good. Let's do it this side here. Very nice. Very cool. 2020. I wish they would make the nickel out of it. I wish they would do like the Royal Canadian Mint does. Royal Canadian Mint, they make all the coins out of silver for their silver proof sets. I think they should do that here with the United States coins too. Make them all out of silver. If they're going to do it. That would be pretty cool. But alas, my wish will not come true. But we do have an extra goodie in this package here. 2020 silver proof set. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, please don't sue me. That would not be fun. I apologize also for not showing any soft teeth and cuddly kitties. I was too lazy to bring them into camera's view, only for them to be uninterested even more. But I do want to leave you with a question, and that is, are you collecting these proof sets every year, silver or otherwise? I don't. I just get the ones that I'm interested in. This particular year, I am interested in them. And also, we've noticed a sort of a pattern with the last year, with the West Point doing cents for both proof, reverse proof, and uncirculated special goodies on the sets, on the annual sets. This year, we have the next denomination up with the nickels, proof, reverse proof, and uncirculated in the annual sets. My guess is next year for 2021, we will have, yes, that's right, you guessed it, the dime being the next one. So we might have a 2021 proof West Point dime, reverse proof West Point dime, and uncirculated West Point dime. You know what's going to happen in 2022, don't you? Before you even guess, I'm going to tell you, because your minds aren't working that quick. My theory is your minds aren't working as quickly as I can tell you, and that will be the quarter. There will be one quarter that will be coming out in 2023, and that quarter will be West Point proof, West Point reverse proof, West Point uncirculated. Because I think the National Park quarters will be done by then if they don't start another new program with the quarters. And then in 2024, yes, you thought about it before I even said it, the $50. That's right, we'll get a proof $50 from the West Point Mint, a reverse proof $50 from the West Point Mint, and an uncirculated dollar from the West Point Mint. That'll be 2024. Then, it might be a stretch that in 2025, we get an extra goodie in our packages here, a West Point dollar, and a West Point, proof dollar, West Point uncirculated dollar, West Point reverse proof dollar. Now, the thing is for the sets, these silver coins, will they be made of silver in the extra goodies? Are they going to cheap us and make it a clad, or will they make them out of silver for these sets? My guess is for the actual silver set, they will actually throw in a goodie and give us a freebie, except for the $50. Well, the $50 would be, there's more silver in that $50. So we'll see about that one. It'll be anybody's guess. We'll have to stay tuned to see what happens, won't we? But there you have it. Silver. All right. And nickel. Actually, the nickel is only 25% nickel, but fascinating indeed. So there you have it. A memorable set this year, and I believe that children are the future. We should teach them well and let them lead the way, and we'll continue to accumulate these metals as we see fit for our collections and for the enjoyment of them all. There you have it. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for watching and encourage you to please rate, share, collect, stack, and subscribe.